In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the slope command in ALTECAD Concrete. The slope command draws slope tick marks automatically between a crest line and a toe line. Here is how to use it. Type slope in the AutoCAD command line and press Enter. Select the crest line. This is the top line of your slope. Select the toe line. This is the bottom line of your slope. Enter the spacing between the tick marks in meters. The tick marks are drawn automatically along your slope. With ALTECAD Concrete, drawing slopes is fast, accurate, and fully editable. Don't forget to like, follow, and share this tutorial with your colleagues.